Today I'm going to show you how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome, step by step. If you've ever noticed that scrolling feels a little choppy or jerky while browsing, this simple setting can make a big difference. It's a quick tweak, it's easy to do, and it can make your browsing feel much smoother and more comfortable. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, click the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is where you can type website addresses and also access Chrome's hidden settings pages. Now type chrome://flags into the address bar, then press enter on your keyboard. This will open Chrome's experimental features page. Chrome Flags is where Google stores advanced settings and test features that are not always enabled by default. Don't worry, we're only changing one specific option here, so just follow along carefully. Once the Flags page loads, look at the search box near the top of the page. Click into that search field and type smooth scrolling. As you type, Chrome will filter the list and show you the exact option you need. This makes it much easier to find the setting without scrolling through a long list of experimental features. When the smooth scrolling option appears, look to the right side of it. You'll see a drop-down menu, and by default, it should be set to default. Click that drop-down menu and change the setting to enabled. This tells Chrome to turn on smooth scrolling for your browser experience. After you select Enabled, Chrome will usually show a Relaunch button at the bottom of the page or near the setting itself. Click Relaunch to restart Google Chrome and apply the new scrolling setting. This step is important because the change won't take effect until the browser reloads. Chrome may close and reopen automatically, and once it does, your new setting should be active. After relaunching, go ahead and test your scrolling by opening a website or moving through a page with lots of content. You should notice that the movement feels more fluid and polished as you scroll. If it still feels the same, make sure the setting was actually changed to enabled and that Chrome fully restarted. And that's it. You've now enabled smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it can improve the way your browser feels every single day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.